before that, before I forget, if you like this video or paulit. Hi everyone, this is Sasa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And today, as you can see, yes, we are featuring a house that is surrounded by garden and landscape. Yes, this house is located at a very secured subdivision here in Angeles City, which is very near at Angeles Exit, Landers, and Marquee Mall by Ayala. Tara! Okay, this house is standing at 428 lot area and the floor area is just 250 square meters. And yes, you heard it right kanina, surrounded tayo ng garden and landscape. Let's start with your own garage. You can fit 3 cars sa garage space natin. Ang ganda, no? Ang lawak ng harap. Very refreshing size na. Pasok na tayo? Okay. Pagpasok nyo ng main door nyo na napakalaki, and then high ceiling kasi yung bahay. This is around 10 feet. Tama ba ko? And then, yung main door lock natin is digital na siya. Okay. Okay. And then, you will be welcome with this statue na Napoleon-inspired. Included na siya as well. Plus, kita nyo ba yung nasa likod ko? Yes! Yan yung view nyo araw-araw dito sa bahay na to. Pero, that's for later na. Explore natin yan mamaya. Now, your living area has this L-type sofa here. Included na yan as well. Oh, did I mention na? Wait lang. Siksik ko lang. This house, bungalow style here in Angeles City is available for sale or rent. Okay. Living area has your L-type sofa there. Center table with this pieces na dito. Sa wall nyo is, again, Venus and Mars. Okay, kasama na siya. Plus, napansin niyo ba, pwede pa siyang pa-focus, Mr. K, kasi this console here is custom-made. Di ba ang ganda ng color niya? Ang elegant ng golden white na combination. So, by the way, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga gagawa ng mga furnitures nila, pwede namin ibigay yung contact sa inyo. And then, your living area has its own floor standing aircon na 2 to 3 tonner. Okay siya, ano ko na lang, confirm kung ano. Talaga yung exact. And then this art piece here is Yule inspired po. Sabi ng owner. And then painting over here is a mother and child. Ganda, no? Okay. Moving to your next area is your 8-seater dining table na nakaset na as of now. Okay. Plus, this mirror na high ceiling na yung living area natin and dining area. Pero meron pa siyang this huge mirror pa rin na illusion to make the space more bigger to your kitchen. Now, your kitchen is fully equipped na rin ng mga gamit. Everything you see is included on the sale and then also kapag ni-rent natin. Okay, you have your brand new stove here with 6 burner as well. I think para siyang electric and gas na rin yung gamit niya. Cabinets, para sa mga stocks natin. You have your own microwave here, your sink, and then itong mga rice cooker and kettle dyan. Plus this 2-door refrigerator. Okay. Ganda, no? Sa ceiling natin, merong pin light and cove light. And then napansin nyo, pin lights lang yung mga ilaw. Pero ang liwanag kasi talagang yung window surrounded from living area and dito sa kitchen is merong talagang natural light. Plus, hindi siya mainit. Yung AC, floor standing AC, it helps talaga na makover na maging malamig yung buong area. Ang ganda, ang liwanag. Yun na-feel ko. Okay. And then this area, thank you for covering that. Ang ganda kasing highlight. You have here, syempre, when you have guests, meron tayong laging powder room. Okay. Ang cute, no? And then, sliding door to. Kiin ulit ko lang. This sliding door connects to your dirty kitchen. Okay? Dirty kitchen. Para yung mga pag nagluluto tayo ng medyo maamoy is dito na lang siya. And then this door over here is your maid's quarter with own toilet and bath para hindi ko napapasukan. Kasi may mga gamit. Yes, meron kasing nagme-maintain ng bahay na to. Close ko lang. Okay. Bar. Okay, you have here your bar counter. At yung mga alcohol, syempre, mga liquor, hindi na po yan included. And you have this two chair na rin. High chair for your bar. Now, this area here with sliding door is can be your family area, can be your office. When you purchase this house, comes with pin lights, own AC unit, yes, kasi naka-separate siya. And then, pwede nyo na siyang lagyan ng sarili niyang wireless blinds or curtain para more private yung area na to. Comes also with this sofa here, footrest, and then this collection as well. Kung pwede mo siyang ma-focus later on, Mr. K. Your 42-inch TV is also included. I think included din yung Marshall speaker natin. Okay. Paglabas natin ng family area or office niyan is, meron tayong stairs here. Aakyatin ko yan to show you what's upstairs. And then, maganda yung view niyan sa taas. Okay. Tara, akyat tayo. This is your own loft. Kung gusto nyo ng separate area pa rin. Plus, can you show them yung likod ng camera natin? Yun yung sinasabi kong view. Pero later on, mas ma-visualize nyo kung ano yung sinasabi kong napakaganda ng view na yan. Okay. Plus this area, meron din sariling aircon pala. Then this sofa. This table. Pwede siya kung gusto niyo magbasa lang dito kasi walang nakakita sa inyo kasi nasa taas kayo. Diba? Na-mention ko ba to? Wood panels yung whole ceiling natin pala pagpasok. Living area, kitchen, hanggang dito. Wood panels siya. So, baba tayo and let's check yung rooms. Okay? Okay, let's proceed sa mga bedrooms of this gorgeous bungalow here in Angeles City. But before that, and before ko makalimutan, if you like this video o yung mga future house tour ko is, please do hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Tara! Punta na tayo ng bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms and then lahat ng rooms ay may ensuite toilet and bath. Okay, sa hallway pala natin, nakakatuwa tong nakatagong shoe cabinet. Hindi siya mabigat, ang gaan niya. And then, laki yun, ang dami. Okay, back to back yung stock niya. Okay, yung stock mo. Ang ganda ng pagka-design. Look. Hindi siya halata. Diba? Okay, let's start sa bedroom number 1. Ang ganda. Okay, bedroom 1 has its own. Ayan yung continuous ng ceiling. Hanggang room pala yung style niya. Also, you get this own ACU as well. Your blinds here. And then, ito napakaganda talaga ng custom-made nilang mga furnitures. Yan na-mention ko na kanina, di ba? Na if you want this kind of furnitures is, pwede kami mag-forward ng contact sa inyo. Ang ganda lang nila. This has ano din naman. This could be your vanity, dresser. Okay, you have the here dalawang side table as well. This is size queen. Yeah. Fully furnished, no? This house is fully furnished talaga. Plus, eto, mas na-maximize nila yung toilet and bath. Kasi look, sliding door siya. Complete bath na rin. Wood style din yung walls, pero that's tiles. You have your own closet as well. Okay, nice, no? Very light lang yung color. So, kung may add ka pang wall accent is perfect. Bedroom number 2. Daanan natin yung magandang shelves. Okay, wow. Mas maliwanag. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, nakita ko yung garden na landscape saan. Okay, bedroom number 2 is bigger as well. Ceiling na wood panels. You have cove light, pin light na. Own AC. And then, meron kang sariling area ng, if you wanna read books, have your breakfast there, or coffee, only meron kang sariling sofa dyan. With footrest also. Okay, on this side of your own bedroom, you have this queen size pa rin na bed frame. You have one bedside table here, and then itong TV console or TV rack dito. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng combination ng white and gold. Ang elegant lang. 'Di ba? Plus, itong mga area na to is ano siya, provision siya for your own television dito sa bedroom. Okay? Na-mention ko na kanina, lahat ng bedroom ay may sariling toilet and bath. Complete set naman with closet over here. Or cabinets. Sliding doors as well. Okay. Let's move to master's bedroom. Oh, by the way, marami akong houses na for feature din ng full house tour. Pero if you wanna check yung mga quick house tour lang, I do have sa Facebook page ko, which is Next Level Properties only. For Facebook. If you wanna check lang, and then let me know kung gusto nyo na siyang i-full house tour with full details. Yes, kasi gusto kong marinig yung mga comments ng syempre future homeowners and then my viewers as well. Welcome to your master's bedroom. Ang laki. Okay, mamaya may papakita pa akong maganda dito sa bedroom na to. As you can see, na-maintain yung high ceiling, no? So, sa ceiling niya, you get this, pa rin, wood panels na ceiling. Lang tayo, pin lights, marking headboard na wood. Okay, your bed is king size. Plus this, may turn dito pero hindi ko alam siya. Ha? Ottoman. Okay. Thank you. Plus, siguro fix na yung mga niya. Side tables. Okay. Plus, this area could be your own television as well. Okay. As of now, clock muna yung nakalagay. Okay. Lahat ng nakikita natin sa bahay na to is included na. Yung TV rack, mga kalat. Okay. Let's check your own toilet and bath. Pasok na ako kasi gusto ko tong toilet and bath na to. Okay, you have your natural light. Actually, hindi na natin kailangan ng dito. Pin light. Pero you have your pin lights pa rin. Okay. You have your huge bathtub here na naka-separate siya sa shower area. Diba? Ang taas pa rin. Ayan ako. And then your huge shelves. And then closet here. A sliding door pala siya lahat. Ayan. Cabinets. Shelves pa rin. Stock room. Then ang ganda ng color niya. Nagko-complement dun sa natural light. Okay, you have here your huge sink. Separate din. Ayan, toilet. Ay, ano, with bidet, syempre, kompleto. Ganda, no? Let me know what's your thoughts sa bungalow na to. Iba kasi yung ano niya. Design. Okay? Now, this is sliding door connects to your own patio. Ito na yung na-excite akong pakita sa inyo. Okay, again, kanina na-mention ko, this house is surrounded by garden and landscape. Diba? I came out from master's bedroom na meron siyang access going to this outdoor chair din pala is included on sale even kapag na-rent natin yung house na to. Ang ganda, no? Okay, this patio. Okay. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina. When you enter, that's your main door. Ito yung view na nakita natin kanina pagpasok. And then, this area is your dining kanina. Wait lang, let me open. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng gantong area, ha? For family gathering, holidays, lalo Christmas, yung ganon. Kasi, look mo, this is your kitchen area. Extend ka lang dito ng mga ilang tables pa or dito kayo nagigrill. Buong family pa rin nakainta kasi nga parang iisa lang yung area kasi nga siya pwede siyang buksan. Actually, pati yung nasa living area natin pwede pang buksan. Ang ganda. Okay? Meron kayong ito yung pinakamaganda pala sa area na to. As you can see, meron na tayong malaking patio dito. Pero itong nasa harap ko, sana nakikita nyo is ano siya, North Central Park dito sa subdivision na to. So parang sarili nyo rin itong sarili nyo na rin tong space na to. Hindi maingay, very quiet yung subdivision na to talaga. Now, the reason why you have your own park here dito sa tapat ng patio mo is because this is one of the 8 prime lots dito sa subdivision na to. Diba? Ang ganda. Kita nyo pa ba ako? Ang layo ko na. O yan yung view nyo every day when you get to purchase this house. If you want a quiet space lang talaga. Okay? I think that's it. I hope you like this house as much as I like it. Okay? Let's do a recap. Again, this bungalow house is located here in a very secured subdivision here in Angeles City, near Marquee Mall, near Angeles Exit, and then also meron tayong tinatanong hospital din. A house recap is this house has a lot area of 428. It stands at 250 floor area, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3 carport, 1 maid's room, and then comes fully furnished. And then you can avail this either for sale or for rent. I'll leave the full details on the description and then comment below. I'll see you in the next video.